Hey you guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick review on a Nitecore MT1C flashlight. This is a discontinued model according to Nitecore's website, and I might know why. So considering that this is pretty small, this is basically a pocket flashlight. It's 345 lumens, so it's actually pretty bright for being such a small flashlight. But max beam distance on this is 152 meters. Beam intensity is 5800 CD. Runtime is about 23 hours, but I'll talk about that in a second. The light is coming from an LED, a CREE XP G2R5 LED. The reflector is SMO. It does have it is powered by one CR123 battery, and which is nice. I don't like to have a whole lot of batteries, and this way I can always have them charging. One on the charger, one in the device, ready to go. It has two special modes, SOS and Strobe, and the beam color is white, which is nice. I don't like the older style bulbs that kind of give that yellow, that amber colored. I like to have a nice white light. Again, the overall length of this is 88 millimeters, about just shy of 4 inches. The head size on this is 22 millimeters, almost 23 millimeters, and the actual weight of the flashlight is 42 grams. Pretty lightweight. I can have this in my pocket, and it's not too bulky. I can have it in there with my wallet and maybe a knife or something like that. I've had this flashlight for over a year, and for the longest time I was pretty happy with it. But for whatever reason, just recently, it shuts off by itself. I've tried different batteries, thinking that maybe it was a battery issue. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with this. I'd like to say that Nitecore makes a good product. Quality-wise, looking at it, everything looks good. The specs on this are good. But I really wish that it didn't shut off by itself. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let's see if this shuts off by itself. And there it goes. So I have no idea why it does that. Like I said, I've switched out the batteries. I've cleaned out the inside, making sure that there was no debris in there. No idea what's causing it, but it will continually do it. So can't really say I would recommend it. It's the only Nitecore that I have. Don't know if I want to pick up another one to see if the issue is reoccurring or not. But I have had this for about a year, but I would have expected the flashlight to work. It's not like I'm using it constantly. I use it, when I need to, and then I turn it off. I've never, used it for like a prolonged use. It says here that, it has 23 hours of runtime, but I'm not even getting a couple minutes. So I'm not sure exactly what the deal is with that. So if you're looking for a decent flashlight, I can't really recommend the MT1C by Nitecore. It's discontinued anyway, but in the event that you find one on eBay or OfferUp or something like that, I would probably just steer clear of it. So supposedly this has integrated memory function. I don't think I've ever used that, to be honest with you. It supposedly has a turbo strobe that should be used for like law enforcement use. It has a turbo low mode, which is used for basically just around the house, things like that. And then it has a turbo mid mode, which is to be used when you're out hiking, maybe you're outside camping, something like that. As far as the lumens go, like I said, this has 345 lumen, which is actually pretty good considering the size. The The turbo mode is the 345 lumen. That is a runtime of 1 hour and 15 minutes, according to the spec sheet. On high, it's at 138 lumens at 3 hours and 15 minutes. And then on the mid, it's 66 lumen at 8 hours. And then on the low setting, it's 22 lumen at 23 hours. But again, I'm not even getting a few minutes. We'll do it again here just so you can see. It automatically shuts off by itself. Not sure exactly why. The turbo mode is got a beam intensity of 152 meters. On high, it's 95 meters. On the medium or the mid, it's 66. And on the low, it's 33. According to Nitecore's website, the MT1C is IPX8 certified, up to 2 meters waterproof and submersible. I don't know if I would actually trust that, considering the issues that I'm having with this right now. I've never dropped it in water. It's never seen moisture. And I'm already having issues with it. When I take the unit apart and I take the battery out, you can actually smell what smells like it's cooking. I don't really know how to describe it. Kind of like a electrical smell when something's on fire. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. I don't see any discoloration or anything. But I don't see any here either. So again, they say it's IPX8 certified. I just don't know. I don't know if I trust it. If you're looking for a compact size flashlight with a higher lumen count, you might want to try to look at a different model or maybe a different brand. I'm just not sure if the MT1C is up to the task. It hasn't really been put through hard use, and I'm already having issues with it. So again, looks can be deceiving, looks great, but for the money, I would probably try some other brand. Thanks for watching the video, you guys. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you like the content and you want to see more videos, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I've got more videos coming out, more gear like this, some things that I do recommend, some things that I don't recommend. If you have any suggestions on gear you'd like me to review, let me know, and I'll see if I can source it and do a review on it. But until the next time, take it easy and see you soon.